are you? I hope you are all fine, guys. Today our topic: what is Termix? What is the Termix? And so we discuss in detail. First of all, I tell you how you install it, guys. This is only one app in Play Store. This is only one application. There is no other application like Termex. Yeah, you can first of all you go to Play Store. You search Termex. After you search, there is only one app. It will appear on your screen. Then you install it. After installing, okay, after installing you can open it. Then I will give you some commands which you here paste. First of all, I tell you what is Termix, how we use it, guys. If I tell you explain you guys, Termix is a hacking app. I tell you just for educational purpose, it's not on me, okay, guys. Termix is a hacking app which you can use for your friend hacking, mean your friend Facebook IDs, Facebook friends IDs hacking, public accounts hacks, okay, also Insta accounts hack, also used for Wi-Fi hacking. Okay now, it is very super and very light app, not much MB. It's only 17 MB. Okay, how you, now we discuss how you hack your friend's account, guys. This is a very interesting question, how we hack our friends accounts, guys. I give you some particles, okay. I will give you some particles which you can paste here, then you hack your friend's account. Which type, now there is a question, which type of accounts will be hacked. If everything is hacked, then we hack Donald Trump account and other etc, many more. This is come in mind now, guys. It's very serious question, which accounts are hacked, which FB accounts are hacked. Yeah, this is normally not all accounts will be hacked though. So I will tell you, guys, which account password has simple like California 123, like my name is Mitchell 123, Mitchell 1234. This type password which has counting like my name is like I am in living in US. I set my password America. Yes, if I set my Facebook account password United States, then that types accounts will be hacked. If your friend has password and his name is Michael 123, this will be hacked. Michael 1234, this will be hacked. Okay, if your friend password is America, this will be hacked. If your friend password is Michael 123, this will be hacked. Okay, if your friend have simple password, then they all will be hacked. Okay, what you do, guys? I will give you commands, like commands are like this type. You look here, package update. Okay, you can open it. I will give you command in description, package update. This is a very simple, but we can't but some of us don't know about this is a very brave app. I really use it. So I think I make a video for you. That's why I am making. Look, like you can see, this type will become a screen. You can just wait and see, like this done. If one done, then other is come, then you I will give you command, you can just paste it, but I am type here package upgrade. These are 100% working commands. If you have any question about this app, or if you know, then if you give me some opinion, then you can tell me in comment. Package upgrade done. Now we package install Python. Okay, guys, package install Python. Where is Python? You can just paste and you can just wait. Now you can package install Python done. Now we write package install Python 2. Okay, package, you can no space. Okay, no space, just you type and then you enter. You can paste all the commands which I give you in description and just you see. Package install Python 2 also done. Pip to install request. Pip to install request, pip to install request, pip to install mechanism, cd ls, okay, package install git, you just type here also, and you, if you after that done, you see after a page will appear, then you have option to friend hack, insta account hack, fb account hack, then you click on facebook, then you paste your friend id, friend accounts link, okay, one by one when you paste his all of friend which have a simple password, they will be cracked. Okay guys, this is our today tutorial. If you like this video, then you tell, describe in comment, or like our channel and subscribe must. Thanks, goodbye, tata.